this is happening. What is happening? Yes, this is the fun happening opening. It's a funny doorbell time. Today we are going to do some funny doorbell time. Okay, you might all know knock knock jokes, like all those knock knock, who's there? That one. Okay, but this is similar to knock knock jokes. Well, we're going to have fun today. So we're going to do a little doorbell, ding dong, this kind of very funny show. So stay tuned and watch this video. Hey everyone, I'm back to make a funny show today. And today I'm gonna present you the funny doorbell joke. And this will be funny. Okay, here's the deal. Now we're going to do something fun. Now, I present you the funniest doorbell joke, so let's go on. I'll make a Lego ghost and maybe I'll find some a bit later. Okay, I'll find them right now, and it will take a bit later. Oh my God. I better find my one of the great Lego out things. Now I'll just get a thingy that looks like a ghost and I will just connect these together. It might take a bit later. Okay, wanna see my Lego person? Ta-da! It's a ghost. Okay, now he wants McDonald's. Okay. This is a funny joke. Okay, let's find out. Ooh, McDonald's. What will happen next until that Lego guy gone there? Let's see. Hey, open up now. Then. Did you just see that? What that sign was? It said police. It was a great prank. Look, now. Open up now, you fool. Then. What happens next? This stick here. Oh my God, look at that Lego person. That was pretty funny, right? Hope you didn't laugh or giggle until watching. Or did you just see the deal? I hope you didn't giggle or laugh for this video. It's pretty funny.